Now we're setting out in front of the house again, waiting for a rocket launch. This is the ULA rocket. ULA seems like they have more issues getting things up than SpaceX. SpaceX seems like they run a lot smoother. But this is got the cell phone out here with the live stream from their YouTube page. So we're just kind of waiting. They're working. They had one issue they worked out and said that one was taken care of. Now they have another issue. So just waiting for it. You have to just kind of sit around and wait and be prepared. Alright, it looks like they've set the new liftoff time at 6:13. I think we're about 6:05 right now. So they'll get ready going, and hopefully it'll go this time. And we're getting down to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You probably can't even see the sky here yet. But we're monitoring the ULA live stream on YouTube. There it is. There it is. It's already up.
ECS reduced for launch. Roger. 25. Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur. Go AEH at 5.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have ignition, and we have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket with AEHF-5 for the United States Air Force Space and Missile Systems Center.
Now 10 seconds in. Vehicle throttling down to 67% thrust. Engine response looks good. PU system has gone to closed loop control as expected. System response looks good. 25 seconds in.
Alright, you can see it in the background there. Let's move the camera around just a little bit. It looks like it comes up and goes sideways. It kind of does, but it's still going up in the air. Isn't that pretty awesome?
Is now 38 miles in altitude, 48 miles downrange distance, traveling at 4,700 miles per hour. Two minutes, 15 seconds into flight. RD-180 engine operating parameters continue to look good at full thrust. Vehicle body rates looking good. Just under 2 minutes now remaining in the boost phase of flight. Engine now throttling to maintain 2.5 G acceleration limit. Engine response and vehicle body rate response looks good.
It's pretty cool in the morning sky.
RCS pyro valve has been fired. Reaction control system is pressurizing to flight levels.
It's going to disappear over the trees.
RD-180 pump speeds and injector pressures continue to look good as it's maintaining that throttle limiting. 3 minutes, 10 seconds in. Vehicle body rates continue to look good.
payload fairing jettison.
Okay guys, we lost it in the trees.
And we have good indication of payload fairing jettison. And CFLR jettison complete as well. Vehicle now throttling back up to 95% thrust. Engine response looks good. 3 minutes, 40 seconds in.
It's a shame it kind of went behind the trees, but look at the beautiful contrails.
And Newton's now throttled.
Keep the camera on here for a little bit, but isn't that a beautiful picture early in the morning? They're getting really bad out here. Just about sunrise, the mosquitoes get real bad. Look at that gorgeous picture in the sky. Alright guys, there's the rocket launch. It kind of went down behind the trees, so you didn't see it so far. It's interesting how the trajectory of these rockets are. Sometimes they go kind of straight up, sometimes they usually go kind of sideways, which they're still going up in the air. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. Just glad to bring you this ULA rocket launch this morning. Sometimes they go on time and sometimes they don't. This was delayed just a little bit. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs, or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.